What's going on, good peeps? What's going on? Rob Evans here, Executive Director of the Independent School Alliance, making this video to invite you, our students, to participate in the Youth Ambassadors Program. Application is going live right now. You need to apply. The deadline is October 31st. October 31st. If you missed the deadline, you've missed out on a golden opportunity to really get involved, to really get back to the organization that really works hard for you. So I think you should apply. I think you all should apply. I know you all won't get in, but I think you all should apply. I'd love to see it. You have until October 31st to make a compelling case. Our youth ambassadors lead the way. We depend on them. They're our thought partners, and they help us take a temperature of what's going on in the schools. So I challenge you, all of our middle and high schoolers, to submit an application for our youth ambassadors program. I know Kayla will appreciate it, and the rest of the team, and I most certainly will be an appreciation of you for your continuing to give. So it's the deadline, October 31st. All right. Don't miss it because you were procrastinating. Don't miss it because you thought I could do it at the last minute. Get it done. I believe in you, and we can dance together and make it all happen. All right. Enough of me being silly. Apply October 31st.